Today's video is about negative exponents. We want to figure out x to the negative nth power equals what? Let's get started from 2 to the first power, 2 squared, 2 third power, 2 to the fourth power. Then you will do 2 to the 0 power, 2 to the negative first power, 2 to the negative second power, 2 to the negative third power. We already know 2 to the first power, that's 2. 2 squared, that's 4. 2 third power, that's 8. 2 to the fourth power, that's 16. Let's look at the pattern. 16 divided by 2, you will get 8. 8 divided by 2, you will get 4. 4 divided by 2, you will get 2. In this way, you will figure out 2 divided by 2, you will get 1. In other words, 2 to the 0 power equals 1. Then keep divided by 2, you will get the 1/2 here. So you get the 2 to the negative first power equals 1/2. Keep divided by 2. 1/2 divided by 2, you will get 1/4. Then you will get 1/4 divided by 2, you will get 1/8. Let's use these results. You will have 2 to the negative first power equals 1/2. 2 to the negative second power, that's 1/4. 2 to the negative third power equals 1/8. We do know 1/2, I can write down 1/2 to the first power. 1/4, I can write down 1/2 squared. 1/8, I can write down 1/2 to the third power. Then you could see the exponents relationship here. -1, here's 1. -2, here's 2. -3, here's 3. So if you have 2 to the negative nth power, then you can get the conclusion 1/2 to the nth power. These two I can change into any variable, any number. So I use x to the negative nth power, you will get 1/x to the nth power. This will be the formula for negative exponents. So x to the negative nth power, you will get 1/x to the nth power. So remember this. For calculus, you have to know the backward. 1/x to the nth power equals x to the negative nth power, so that we can apply power rule of derivative. Now we got to use rule of exponents to write the following as a single power. Whenever you see 1/x to the nth power, you can change into negative exponents, because we do know x to the negative nth power equals 1/x to the nth power. We just do the backwards this time. So for number 1, 1/x, definitely that's x to the negative first power. For number 2, you will take out the coefficient, that is -3x to the negative fifth power. For number 3, -5/4x squared, we know the coefficient is -5/4. Then you do x to the negative second power. For number 4, the coefficient will be 7/5. Then you could see here's the negative fourth power. Then you will change into x to the fourth power here. In other words, when you flip that exponents from denominator to the numerator, you got to change the sign of that exponents.